Okay, so we just went shopping. We're starting keto on September 1st, which just happens to be Friday of Labor Day weekend, and
we decided to go camping.
Yeah, we're going camping.
So we thought that our first couple days on keto might be easier in the mountains.
No, it's not going to be easier, but you know, we're doing stuff all the time, so we decided let's just jump in and...
There's no good time to start. Might as well start now.
Yeah. So let's get this stuff out of the bags and we'll show you what we picked up at the grocery store. Okay. So we just split up what we bought into each of our meals. So before we went to the grocery store, we just made a list
of what we wanted to do by meal group, basically.
Yeah.
Like what all the breakfast type foods could be, what all the lunch type foods could be, and what all the dinner type foods could be. And then, of course, snacks, because you have to have snacks.
Mm-hmm. So I think what we'll do is take a picture of each of these individually with the labels and put them up on a blog post.
Yeah, sounds good.
Well, let's just run through this stuff real quick so you can know kind of what we were thinking. So Katie has to have coffee to start her day off with. So we just got Starbucks iced coffee, and this stuff has 1 gram of carbs per serving, and then this is sugar-free vanilla creamer. We were going to get eggs, but Katie had the bright idea to get egg beaters just because we're camping, so...
Thought maybe breaking eggs wouldn't be the best thing to happen to us.
Yep. I'm a huge fan of Spam, so we're gonna make Spam and eggs.
How many times per week would you say you eat Spam?
I mean, it's been like a year, but you're way off.
How many times a week? Like in the last month have you eaten Spam?
0 in the last month.
No.
Promise. We also got sausage and bacon, so thick sliced bacon.
Eggs and bacon for
It's
breakfast.
not like I eat Spam a lot, but I like Spam and eggs. So it's nice, especially when I'm on keto. When I'm on keto, I'll eat Spam. So
Spam and eggs, bacon and eggs, these are perfect, like the ultimate breakfast foods for keto, right?
So you want to take lunch?
Yeah. So for lunch, what we're gonna do is kind of modified turkey sandwiches, but more like turkey containers. So we got turkey, mayo, we'll probably grab an avocado on our way up there if they're in season, but they're not today. And then I'm gonna make some chicken salad too. So chicken, onions, got some lettuce, we have some green onions, and then ranch to get some veggies and things in. Probably have hot dogs one day. Hot dogs, while not the best food for you, make a good keto snack / lunch. Especially when camping, they're easy, they're quick.
Yeah.
So that'd be good. And then, so for snacks, I was going to snacks. For snacks, we got things like, we've tried to stick with all green vegetables and then cauliflower. So we have broccoli, cauliflower, and then we really like snap peas. And the best thing on the keto diet is the ranch. So we got ranch to dip them into.
You're gonna find out that I'm a big fan of ranch.
And then we also got some pepperoni sticks. We decided on those with some beef jerky, some pepperoni, and then just some celery. So
yeah. And we've got some string cheese in the fridge, and we've got some shredded cheese in the fridge that we're gonna bring with us.
we're gonna try to stick to less cheese this time.
Yes.
Even though cheese is okay, it's okay in small doses. So we want to just kind of keep our cheese intake.
Yep. So dinner, we got some burgers. They're bacon and cheddar, ground beef patties. And these are less than 1 gram of carbs per. So we thought that'd be better than actually getting slices, because it's all built in. And then we love these brats. So we got 2 different kinds of brats. We got original, and then we got hatch green chili brats. So we're gonna bring up our grill and grill this stuff up.
We'll make some salad to go with it. You know,
salad with ranch.
ranch. Blue cheese is also okay, right?
Blue cheese is okay.
We just prefer ranch.
Yeah, and then for drinks, we just got a bunch of water and then You can probably see we got some Coke Zero. We're gonna try out the vanilla Coke Zero.
We've never had that one.
And some Sprite Zero, and we're gonna bring up some vodka to mix it with. So.
And that should be a very keto-friendly drink because vodka should have nothing in it, and then
Yeah.
diet sodas.
I know drinking's not encouraged because it's like empty calories, and your body stops burning fat for fuel while you have alcohol in your body. But we enjoy imbibing.
Drinking.
So
And we're
we
going
won't do it
camping.
as we won't do it as much, but
Plus, what else do you do camping?
yeah, it's fun.
Part of camping, and it's Labor Day weekend, last weekend of summer.
And then my little
Pretty
sister
much our
Lindsay
favorite.
wanted us to get some olive oil, and then we got some like bug repellent. So
We could never get enough bug repellent.
all of this stuff. I mean, it wasn't like a little expensive. It was $135. But I mean, you take off a little bit for the bug repellent and $8 for the olive oil.
But also, any of this stuff that we don't eat will all keep
Yeah,
going
it'll
in
come
the
back
fridge.
around.
It's not like it won't get eaten.
And we decided this is like how many meals?
It's like 7 meals.
Yeah. So we paid
It's 10 meals.
like $64, $65 each,
It's 10 meals,
and
which is pretty good. For 2
Pretty
people,
good.
probably 3. I'm sure Lindsay will have some.
yeah. So there's our keto camping haul. We'll record some more when we're actually making the stuff up camping. Thanks, guys.